Well, good morning and welcome to day 2. We're heading west on Highway 26 and going to be heading up Highway 47 toward Vernonia. Well, clearly the charger didn't do the thing it's supposed to do, which is, charge the battery. So I lost a bunch of footage coming up here. It's actually not that far into the ride. But I had to stop and swap batteries and take a comfort break. Tried to look for something photographically interesting. This area is just beautiful. But didn't find anything I want to take pictures of, but that's all right. Just look at all these trees. Love the trellis here for the train. Very cool. For anybody familiar with the area, this is Highway 47, and like I said, I'm just south of Vernonia. Got a few more miles to go, so let's get rolling. Welcome to Vernonia. For those who are not familiar, nice big happy sign. It's a fairly small town, and it has kind of a nice revitalized downtown area. Like I said, it's very small, but it's kind of quaint and cute. It ends up becoming a bit of a destination for people on weekends. So if you ever here on a Saturday or a Sunday morning, you see lots of cyclists, classic car owners, motorcycles. So the downtown area can actually get kind of busy. But it's small enough and quaint enough that it's quite pleasant. I actually like coming here. Yeah, the route I'm taking today is going to be Highway 202, and so there's really no gas for quite a while, so I have to stop and fill up here. Otherwise, I am SOL because I'm not heading to KAWASAKI today. I'm heading out 202 to Astoria, which is just a little bit too far.
Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, coming from Washington.
Always feels good being gassed up. Now I don't have to worry about my right wrist at all. This little curvy section just outside of town is a really, really good one, so don't get stuck behind people. But as you can tell, well, maybe you can't tell, road conditions aren't fabulous. You might recognize this turn from yesterday's video, well, day one's video. That is the road to Scappoose. We came down this way and turned there. Right now we're going to stay on 47. We're heading toward Apiary. We're then going to go past that. We're going to go past Mist and Highway 47 in KAWASAKI. Those are both videos I've done. You can check those out. And like I said, we're going to take 202 all the way to the coast. Awesome. Thank you. Of course, almost immediately I always find some place I want to stop and take a picture, but not this time. I'm going to keep on moving. Don't care what I see. Yeah, there's some homes right on the road around this corner. I always try to be respectful. Hello. Hello. No need to get anybody else involved. Just me. Aha! Cleaning the roads. Good for you. It's good for me. So here we are entering mist, as I've done before, and if you've watched any of my other videos or been following the channel, Highway 47 from Mist to Klatskanee is one of the best roads I've ever done. It's phenomenal. So if you go here and turn right, it's unbelievably good. It's probably covered in gravel today, but I've done videos on that. Check them out. I'll try to remember to link them up here. But we're going to continue on that way, going to Astoria. Look at that tree. That is cool. It's all scraggly. Love it. Oh, man alive. What is that? Well, I know what it is. It just smells really bad. That road there is another really good one. That heads down to Highway 26 again. I think I've done a video on that. I'll have to check my library. So heading down that way, really good. It goes down to 26 over to 53, but not today. Elk and deer, yeah, right. No, wait. Check it out. They actually did it this time. I don't think I've ever seen elk in the elk viewing area. I wonder if they, like, truck them in and drop them off. I mean, they're just sitting there feeding, but, you know, take a picture. Okay, well, it's always good to get a picture or two in. First one of the day. Bust out the camera, take the time. Just look at these trees. Give me some misty conditions, make some pretty good photographs. Whoop! I hit the stupid thing. Idiot. I think this is where that house is. I'm gonna dial it back. Yep, there it is. It's not uncommon to see kids out in the front yard. I've talked about this before in other videos on this road. Trying to be respectful. What's up? Rough road. Okay. Just a little rough. There's some water for you. Wow, look at that. Welcome to downtown Astoria. Well, close enough. In a previous video, I actually did a ride-through of some of the areas of Astoria. I will skip that today. You can watch that video if you want to check it out. I am simply going to hop on the bridge and head back over to Washington. Wow, it is windy up here. Dang. Sure is a good view, though. Hey. Ooh, tunnel. It may not be a snarling beast, but I still like it. A little mini. Can you see the dog sticking out of the side there? See if we go closer. Thing is huge. Some kind of an irony here. Dang, can you hear the wind? It is some gusty. I do like these small towns, North Bend and Raymond and little areas around here, right on the coast, on the way to the coast. It's funny though, I realized I don't really ever stop here. I have stopped once while driving with a family. We did a coffee shop and I did some work up here. But one of these days I gotta just come by and hop off and walk around. Kind of cool. Man, it is bright though. Really wish I had my sunglasses. Get the screw and get it fixed. Thanks so much for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the bell icon to make sure that you are notified when new videos get uploaded. If you have any roads that you think I should ride, leave those in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my effort in producing awesome videos, join the BMRTV crew by clicking the support link in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.